Natural selection isn't the survival of the strongest, it's survival of whatever happens to fit the environment best. And that's a much colder, more mechanical idea than most people realize. It needs exactly three ingredients. First, variation. No two individuals in a population are identical. Slightly different beak sizes, different fur shades, different enzyme efficiency. Second, heredity. Those differences have to be passable to offspring, encoded in genes, not just acquired during life. Third, differential survival and reproduction. Some variants survive and reproduce more successfully than others, purely because of the environment they are in. That's it. No intention, no direction, and no trying to adapt. Just whoever survives and reproduces most passes on copies of their genes. Over generations, the population shifts towards whatever variant kept succeeding. The classical proof is Darwin's finches on the Galapagos Islands. Here we see a classical example where a set of birds have varying beak sizes, which some have small beak sizes while others have sturdy and huge ones. They have a very vivid classification on their edibles. Some eat soft seeds while the others eat hard seeds. Let's say a natural calamity or an event happens due to which some hard seeds are not very available, hard seeds are not available, hence, the hard seed eating finches suffer a lot. Hence, the other populations surpass them, and nature selects the trait which fits the environment best. That is, not eating the hard seeded plants or the hard seeded seeds because they are not available in the environment. Here's the detail most people miss. Natural selection does not create any new traits. The uh, the tendency to eat hard seeds and the tendency to eat small and soft seeds were previously present before the natural event. It's just that nature selected the particular event which happened to fit the environment the most. And here's another detail, it may not always be about food or habitat, it can be about anything: geographical locations, food, disaster, acclimatization, weather changes, climate changes, anything. Now let's understand how mutations in genome and natural selection interact. If a mutation occurs in a specific population of a species, then there are two chances after a natural event occurs. Either the mutation helps the population in surviving and the nature selects that population and hence they flourish. Else, if it becomes harmful for them, they cannot survive it well if enough non-mutants rather than the non-mutants, hence the non-mutants flourish. The uncomfortable core truth of natural selection. It has no goal, no foresight, and no concern of the individual. It's just a filter running continuously on whatever variation happens to already exist, and the environment writes the rules.